it's cantonments have started feeling more like home now. I think for 3 years we've been training, almost 4, and being here is like you feel like family. I swear, and I'm not just saying this. It really means a lot. Sir पूछ रहे थे कि अरुण खेत्रपाल का जो tank था वो कौन सा था model. So which I got right, thankfully. It's Centurion, which I know. And he asked me what's the enemy's tank, जो Patton है. तो मैं बहुत कुछ कह सकता हूँ. But I think for me the main thing that stood out for me about this story is about how young Arun Khetrapal is, and I would like to address the young kids sitting over there who've come from school. I hope कि जब आप ये फिल्म देखेंगे तो शायद आप कुछ सीख पाएंगे अरुण खेत्रपाल से. वो बहुत ही वीर, बहादुर और पैशनेट सोल्जर थे. And I think that if we take anything away from this film, it's that you're never too young to change the world. So this is mainly for the younger people out here, and my immense pride and gratitude to every soldier, every person a part of the Indian Army. खास करके आमड को, क्योंकि I've spent too much time with them, तो वो थोड़ा relationship बन चुका है. Salute. Before I end, I would just like to say Ranveer Jai Sada. That's from our regiment, Pune Horse. I say mine because it feels like mine also. Wow. And Jai Hind. Thank you so much.
My journey in this film began actually 7 years back when I first heard the story. And after that, in 2019, I went to Chandigarh, to Chandi Mandi, and there on December 16th, I was called to, lay a wreath on Arun Khetrapal's statue there. And there were a whole lot of people there. And when I went there, I don't know, I had already read, I had already met so many people who were associated with him. But when I went there, that particular moment, I made a promise to myself to do this film as good as we can, And I think I wanted Arun to help me. And somewhere he's been there with us throughout this film. It wasn't an easy film to make. And we were shooting all over the country, North India, and it was not easy, but like any adventure, once it's over, it's great fun, So now that it's over, we're all looking forward to you watching it and reacting to the film. Yeah, so I hope you like it. It's out very soon. In fact, 21 days to go for Ikkis.
Wow. Ikkis is not a film for Maddock. We've made a lot of films, but it's kind of like an emotion. I thank my friend Bini Padda. 8 years ago, he narrated Arun Khetrapal's story to me, and I couldn't believe it's true. I had the good fortune and the privilege to go to the Pune Horses and hear the story from so many emotional people and understand what this film is. It's a huge responsibility, and we have the best man in our company to make it because he's the most honest filmmaker in this country. What Ikkis showed me is what a 21-year-old Indian Army soldier can do. He can disseminate, but he can do things that I couldn't imagine at 21. And we've made this film to show the world what a 21-year-old Indian Army soldier can do. And thank you for that. It's affected us in so many ways, and we're very proud of it. In 20 years of our filmography, it is the best film we've made, and we can't wait to share it with you.
इसमें कोई दो राय नहीं कि जिस तरीके से इन्होंने सिनेमेटोग्राफी करी है, ये फिल्म मुझे पूरा यकीन है कि फिल्म बहुत अच्छी तरीके से ऑडियंस के सामने पेश आएगी. अभी मैं यहाँ पर जो मौजूद स्टेज पर टीम 21 के जो प्रोड्यूसर, डायरेक्टर, कास्ट and all the crew members and team members who are there, I can only wish them all the best, my best compliments, and a big thank you for producing this wonderful, marvelous piece of movie. Wish you all the best. May you all have great success and great glory. Thank you. Jai Hind.